4. Evergreen presents 10 most beautiful butterflies in the world. 10. The green dragontail. The green dragontail is a small-sized butterfly belonging to the swallowtail species. It is mostly found in India, Pakistan, Thailand, China, and other South Asian countries. It has a wingspan of 1.6 to 2.2 inches and is normally black and white in color. The forewings have black borders and thick white striped veins visible on them. They are one of the smallest papilionids and one of the few species with wing transparency in the world. Nine. Birdwing butterfly. Known for their huge size, the birdwing butterflies are one of the largest butterfly species in the world. They have around 35 known subspecies and are speculated to have even more. They possess bright, colorful wings and a bird-like flight. They are mostly endemic to Pakistan, India, and Australasia. These large-sized flyers have a body length of 3 inches and a wingspan of 11 inches. Eight. Emerald swallowtail. One of the most famous captivated butterflies in the world, is native to Southeast Asia and is known as the emerald swallowtail. It has a wingspan reaching nearly 4 inches, with both of the black-colored wings covered with green powdered scales. The undersides of the wings are of the same color, but with orange spots on them. Their extended tails provide them with a fast and swift flight and make them a uniquely beautiful species of their kind. Seven. Glass-winged butterfly. Also known as Greta Odo, the glass-winged butterfly is one of its kind. It is a member of the brush-footed butterfly family and is endemic to the forests of Chile and Central and South America. It is famous for its transparent wings that help it easily camouflage itself from its predators. While it might appear to be fragile, it can carry a weight 40 times its own and is known for doing long migrations. Six. Sylphina angel. One of the most exquisite and attractive butterflies in the world is the Sylphina angel. It is found in the wilds of Ecuador, Peru, and Bolivia, and belongs to the Rhydionaid family. Usually, it remains out of sight under the leaves, but takes flight only in full sunshine and shows off its spellbinding beauty to its viewers. It has 8 subspecies, which are quite identical with some minor differences in their appearances. 5. 88 butterfly. Scientifically known as Diatheria ana, the 88 butterfly is a native insect of the tropical forests of Costa Rica, Mexico, Texas, and other American states. It has a dark brown skin with shades of blue and green on its forewings. The underwings are in red color with white tips and black bands on them. The hind wings have white line making a pattern similar in shape to the numbers 88, giving the species its name. These butterflies in their adult forms feed on the rotten fruit. Four, blue morpho. Found in the neotropical regions of Central and South America, including Mexico, Venezuela, and Brazil, this blue little insect is very popular among researchers and collectors. Both its forewings and hind wings have bright blue color scheme with black colored finishings at the edges. It has a wingspan of 4.7 inches and is one of the most beautiful butterflies in the world. Due to its blue color, it is highly in demand in the collection market. And that's why it's facing population decline. Three, dead leaf butterfly. Dead leaf butterfly, also known as the oak leaf butterfly, is found in the tropical forests of Southeast Asian regions. It has a wingspan of 3 to 4 inches. The outer part of their wings is oak leaf colored, providing them a camouflage, whereas the inner side is reddish with pale yellow markings on it. Two, the coffee bee hawk moth. Native to the lands of East, Middle East, Australia, and Japan, the coffee bee hawk moth belongs to the Sphingidae family. This species has a body similar to that of a bumblebee, but in lush green color. It has wingspan up to 4 inches and has 8 total subspecies with 2 main physical forms. In greenish form, the dorsal lines are white with yellow horns, whereas in dark colored form, head is brown and the rest of the body is smoky black. One, monarch. The most beautiful butterfly in the world is the monarch, also known as milkweed. It has a wingspan of 4 inches and has beautiful black, orange, and white recognizable patterns on its wings. This lovely little insect is one of the most beautiful creatures in the world. It is known for its long migrations from the United States and Canada to Florida and Mexico. With around 10 subspecies, this butterfly is the most gorgeous of its kind. Thanks for watching. Tell us in comments which one is most beautiful according to you.